Hello, today I will review keyless entry door lock with 2 lever handles, Zowill electronic keypad deadbolt, auto locking, anti-peeping password, digital smart code door lock, front door handle sets, matte black. About item. Keypad door lock with handle supports multiple ways to access, 20 user codes, 1 time code, 2 backup keys. Provide different unlock methods for family, friends, cleaners and Airbnb guests. Simply press and hold any key for 2 seconds or set the keyless door lock automatically lock in 10 to 99 seconds to avoid forgot locking the door while leaving in hurry. The smart door lock has been passed up to 100,000 times usage test, 2000 N appearance pressure resistance, and has ANSI Grade 3 certification, made of durable alloy to provide extra security. Keypad door lock long battery life, low battery alert function, 4Ah batteries, not included, can last for more than 1 year. The IP54 weatherproof rating ensures that come rain or shine, your front door is protected. Thanks for watching. You can get best price and discount from link in description.